Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Beauty in the World. Don't forget to subscribe my channels. Today the beautiful, quite attractive and talented Audrey Whitby is an American actress. She is known for her many appearances and advances TV including starring in the cast of Bitch, a stage show, and for wrecking roles as Audrey Value on the Wikipedia. Born April 10 April 1996, now the age of 24. Movies and TV show Avenson 2013 to 2015, The Thunder 2013 to 2018, which so random 2011 to 2012, The Stand of 2016, profile Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, and Facebook. Beautiful quotes of famous people. The greatest glory in living lies in not never failing, but is rising every time we fall. The way to get started is to quit tagging and begin doing. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. Don't be trapped by dogma, which is living with the result of other people thinking. If life were predictable, it would case to be life and be without failure. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. If you set your global goals ready closely high and it is failure, you will fail above everyone else's success. Life is what happens when you are busy making other plans. Spread love everywhere you go. Let no one ever come to you without living hyper. When you reach the end of your rope, tie a knot in it and hang on. Always remember that you are absolutely unique, just like everyone else. Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seed that you plant. Tell me and forget. Tell me and I remember. Involve me and I learn. The best of most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. It is during our darkest moment that we must focus to see the light. Whoever is happy will make others happy too. Don't go where the path may lead. Go instead where there is no path and level trail. Hello viewers, a famous quote about life. You will face many defeat in life, but never let yourself be defeated. The greatest glory in living lie not in never failing, but in rising every time we fall. In the end, it is not the year in your life that count, it's life in your ears. Never the fear of striking out keep you from playing the game. Life is either a dreaming, daring adventure or nothing at all. Many of life failure are people who didn't realize who close they were to success when they have gave up. You have brain in your head. You have feet in your shoes. You can steer yourself any direction of choice. If life were predictable, it would cause to be life and without flavor. In the end, it is not air in your life that counts. It's the life in your ears. Life is session of lesson which must be lived to be understood. You will face many defeat in life, but never let yourself be defeated. Never let the fear of sticking out keep you from playing the game. Life is never fair, and perhaps it is a good thing for most of us that it is not. The only impossible journey is the one never began. In this life, we cannot do great thing. We can only do small thing with the great love. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. The purpose of our life lives is to be happy. The life, what happen when you are busy making other plan? You only live once, but if you do it right once is enough. Live in the sunshine, swim the sea, drink and burn air. Go confidently in the direction of your dream. Live the life you have imagined. The greatest glory in the living lies not in never failing, but in rising every time we fail. Life is really simple, but we instead on making it completed. Many you live all the day of your life. Life itself is the most wonderful fair tale. Do not let making a living prevent you from making a life. Life is ours to be spent, not to be saved. Keep smiling because